Imagine a life where financial worries become a thing of the past, where you can pursue your passions without being confined to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Passive income is the key to this dream, money earned without actively working. And to guide you through the path of earning passively, you go to the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki.
That's risky. So the reason I say only lazy people use their own money is because it takes much more intelligence to raise capital.
Welcome back to Finance Channel. As for Robert Kiyosaki, using personal funds is considered lazy, while raising capital requires more intelligence. However, it's important to avoid making sweeping generalizations about financial choices. Today, I will talk about the top 6 rules of basic investing. Let's get started. Number 6. Raising capital. Raising capital can be a challenging yet essential aspect of becoming a skilled investor. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad emphasizes the significance of finding funds for good investment deals. This process is a valuable education, demanding intelligence, effort, and creativity. Well-informed, educated, and experienced are vital to preparing for the journey ahead. While investing personal capital might appear easier, Kiyosaki reminds us that true financial success lies in embracing the challenge of raising capital. His guiding principle of never saying, "I can't afford it," but instead finding ways to make it possible has enabled him to embark on numerous projects without significant personal funds. To follow in his footsteps, you must adopt a resourceful mindset, seek knowledge from successful individuals, and discover innovative ways to achieve your investment goals.
Only discover.
I want to discover.
By mastering the art of raising capital, you can break free from the limitations of relying solely on your own money. People will say the risk is inherent in pursuing massive success, regardless of your endeavors. But remember, your financial journey becomes limitless with the right approach and determination. So seize opportunities and embrace the path to becoming successful investors.
The first way you understand risk is you look in the mirror. It's who's looking back at you. You're the risk, not the investment. For example, I invest in a lot of real estate and say, oh, real estate is so risky, so I think I'll buy ETFs. So you play it safe, but you'll learn more by investing in real estate, right? Because you'll make more mistakes.
Yeah.
So that's the difference there. So it's not real estate that's risky, it's you're risky.
Number 5. The misconceptions of risk in investing. The question is investing truly risky? Well, it's all about how you define risk. While some may see investing as risky, why not consider another perspective? Working a high-paying 9-to-5 job also carries uncertainties. What if you faced redundancy without a backup plan? In such cases, income from assets acts as a safety net. To make informed investment decisions, financial education is crucial. A shift in mindset and financial awareness empowers us to live a financially secure life. Investing, like real estate, may have risks, but with learning and experience, we can make wise choices. Risk isn't solely about the investment, it's about our willingness to learn and adapt. Embracing knowledge and financial literacy opens up possibilities. Let's redefine risk and thrive as savvy investors on a journey of financial education.
You know, I know most millennials, they want a high-paying job. They want to be able to pay the rent, eat, and all this stuff. And then you dream of the big house, a nice car, and all that. But that's why 99% of Americans are broke, because their heads are on the wrong spot.
Number 4. Investing for cash flow. Let's discuss cash flow and how it can lead to financial freedom. In business, cash flow refers to money moving in and out of a company, including revenues and expenses. But it doesn't stop there. Cash flow also extends to passive income from assets. By investing in cash flow, we can acquire income-generating assets like rental properties or royalties, creating additional and continuous income streams. In today's ever-changing economic landscape, relying solely on earned income can make achieving your dreams challenging. That's where investing in assets becomes crucial. It allows you to grow your income through passive sources, supplementing your earnings. A crash course in accounting can be beneficial to make informed investment decisions. The mindset shift is about acquiring assets, not just working for money. Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, highlights this approach and emphasizes the importance of asset acquisition over liabilities to build wealth. By embracing this mindset, you pave the way to true financial freedom and long-term prosperity. Focus on building assets to secure consistent income for your future, making the journey to your financial goals a game changer.
And what's happening for most people today is, they follow that age-old mantra, go to school. What do you learn about money at school?
Number 3, GTA Financial Education. When it comes to education, financial literacy often takes precedence over proper financial education. Schools touch on income and expenses, but fail to teach the fundamental principles of how money works and how to make it work for you. It's time for us to take charge of our financial education, an essential rule for successful investing. Proper financial education involves understanding how to leverage debt, assets, liabilities, and cash flow. It goes beyond income and expenses, diving into vital accounting processes and cash flow management. Equipping ourselves with this knowledge allows us to navigate the world of finance with confidence and foresight.
Confidence.
Traditionally, we're directed towards seeking high-paying jobs, paying taxes, and clearing debts, while important entrepreneurship and passive income opportunities often remain overlooked, leaving us unaware of alternative possibilities. Integrating financial education alongside academic and professional studies bridges this knowledge gap. As the wealth gap widens, younger generations face new challenges with rising living costs, student loans, and job uncertainties. Millennials and Gen Z, tech-savvy digital natives, have unique advantages in creating passive income streams and launching ventures. They can turn hobbies into lucrative income sources, initiate businesses swiftly, and actively educate themselves about finance. In a world facing financial complexities, understanding the basics of accounting and cash flow management is pivotal for successful investing. Shifting from financial literacy to proper financial education empowers us to navigate the world of money confidently, create assets, and master the art of wealth building. With this knowledge, you can break free from debt, make informed investment decisions, and pave the way to financial prosperity and security.
So the reason the rich don't pay taxes is because there's 3 types of income. They'll never teach you this in school.
Number 2, 3 types of income. To achieve financial freedom and break free from the 9-to-5 mindset, understanding the 3 main types of income is crucial. Each type holds the key to building wealth and becoming financially empowered. The first type of income, earned income. Earned income is the money you receive from your job or profession based on your active work and time invested. However, it comes with high taxes, limiting your potential to accumulate wealth. The second type of income, portfolio income or cash flow. Portfolio income or cash flow is generated through investments like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Managing your portfolio smartly can optimize tax advantages and increase earnings. The third type of income, passive income. Passive income is the ultimate goal for financial freedom. It flows from assets or ventures you've invested in or created, requiring less active involvement. Passive income often benefits from lower tax rates and deductions. To secure long-term financial stability, diversify your income streams beyond relying solely on earned income. Mastering passive income generation and building a strong portfolio are essential aspects of financial education. Take charge of your financial education to pave the way for a prosperous future and make your money work for you.
I always borrow to invest. One of my favorite books that just came out with is called Fake. Fake money, fake teachers, fake assets. I use debt to invest.
Number 1, OPM, which means other people's money. In finance, OPM is a powerful concept where you leverage borrowed capital to invest in assets with growth potential. Using OPM, you can control assets beyond your resources, potentially yielding higher profits. Here's how it works. Instead of using personal funds, you borrow money to invest, like in real estate. The goal is to profit from rental income or increase property value upon sale. However, be cautious and make well-thought-out decisions, as OPM involves increased risk.
Risky, very risky.
Financial education is essential for successful OPM implementation. Understand financial leverage, income types, and cash flow management. With the proper knowledge, OPM becomes a strategy to grow wealth. Combine debt and equity financing for maximum returns. Gain knowledge, learn from reliable sources, seek mentors, and expand your expertise. The main rule of investing is obtaining a proper financial education. Master financial principles to make well-informed decisions. Seek the right teachers and educate yourself to succeed as an investor. Implementing these principles can revolutionize your financial journey with Robert Kiyosaki's top 6 rules of basic investing. Take control of your future by harnessing the power of other people's money and diversifying your investments. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.